Welcome back to my channel, y'all. And today we're doing the best Southern catfish po' boys, y'all. And look at that. I mean, this is the perfect quick meal for a fish fry Friday. You have those golden nuggets, and then I'm going to show you a quick and easy crispy slaw. And don't forget about the remoulade sauce, you guys. Oh, so good. And this recipe will be under my burgers and sandwiches playlist. Make sure y'all check that out. Let's go. So I have two mustards. I have stone ground and Dijon, and then also I'm going to use some mayo and capers, and we're doing Southern style, so we're going to throw a little Texas Pete in there, Creole seasoning, and some sugar, which is optional, but I like it. Some minced garlic, Worcestershire sauce, half of a lemon, some pepper, and some parsley and scallions. So for the remoulade, it's really simple, you guys. Again, I'm using two different mustards because that's just what I have. But, you know, you can do whatever you want. I'm going to throw the rest of the ingredients into this bowl. And while I do that, go ahead and use this opportunity, if you have not already, to click that subscribe button. And thank y'all so much. Our family is growing and I'm so excited. I appreciate you guys so much. And shout out to my fellow creators. Hey, y'all. So I'm just going to mix that up, and then what we're going to do is just cover it up and set it off to the side. So I have some catfish nuggets here, and I'm just going to use simple seasoning, roasted garlic seasoning, onion powder, bay seasoning, Creole seasoning, all-purpose flour, and cornmeal. And so we're going to make our own fish fry mixture. So I actually put the cornmeal and flour, and I just put it through my mini chopper just to kind of soften up the grains and do that mix so that you have a good even coating. I am just going to throw my seasonings, and the measurements will be in the description box, but you don't want to over season your fish, so I'm just simply going to season my my coating. So once your oil is up to temperature, we're going to just go ahead and toss them into your fish fry batter and throw them in. Super simple. Like I said, you guys, this is a quick under 30-minute meal. And once you've cooked them, probably about 5 to 6 minutes. Look at that, you guys. Ooh, don't that look good? So on our quick slaw, I have a head of cabbage, some red wine vinegar and mayo, salt and pepper, and then I have some sugar. And so what I'm just going to do is slice up my cabbage, and then I'm just going to throw this in. And so again, I don't really measure, but I'll do my best to put the measurements for this recipe in the description box as well. And I'm doing it basically as soon as I fried the fish, because I don't want it to be soggy. I want a good crisp and bite to it. So when you do a po' boy, it's about the roll. So I have some fresh bakery rolls from the actual bakery of my grocery store, and I'm just gonna slather it with some mayo. And y'all, my favorite, you guys, look at this. You guys, come on, get the Kinders. It is so good. Just gonna rub that on there, and all I'm gonna do is put them on a griddle real quick. And look at that, perfect. So I'm gonna put some of that remoulade sauce that we made, and then our crispy little quick coleslaw on there. And y'all, this meal is so satisfying. It was so delicious, and I'm just gonna pile it high with those golden pieces. And y'all, there you go. Super easy, guys, and so satisfying. I mean, what better way to start your weekend with a fish fry Friday? And oh, so good. And look at that sauce, you guys. Just want to rub it on my elbows. It's so good. I'm telling you. Trust me, you guys. Hope you guys try that recipe out. Also, don't forget to hit that notification bell so that when I post a new video, you'll be the first to know. Also, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. And for those who are new to my channel, welcome. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you next week in my new recipe. Bye, y'all. I messed that up, but that's okay. We're gonna go with it. Bye, y'all.